If you are thinking about migrating from Magento to Shopify, you're in the right place. And most importantly, you are not alone. Magento offers some power and customization, and it used to be this incredible platform that was open source that you could do wonders with. But unfortunately nowadays, in the age of cloud, in the age of speed technology, it simply does not and cannot keep up with platforms like Shopify. We have helped hundreds of clients migrate from Magento to better platforms in the last 5 years, with zero disruption, zero data loss, zero rankings lost, and zero revenue lost. This is very, very important. You don't want to go get a $79 one-click software and jeopardize your $1 million business to migrate to another platform only to find out that there are URLs that are broken, products that don't show up, images that do not show up, clients and customers that are not migrated accurately. If you're running a $1 million operation and you trust a software to do this, you're simply insane. At Optimum 7, we will migrate your catalog, your products, your customers, your history, which is very, very important because when your users log into their accounts on the new website, you want them to be able to see their order history. These one-click migration software cannot really do that. Then we make sure that your URL structure is intact, the 301 redirects work. We make sure that the functionalities and the workflows on your website work. This isn't a basic data migration, it's a full stack API-powered migration where we have to revalidate every single data point to make sure that nothing falls through the cracks. Here is the process of how you can migrate from Magento to Shopify. Go to Optimum7.com and select e-commerce migration from the drop-down menu. Choose the platform you are currently on and the platform you want to migrate to. In this case, it is Magento to Shopify. Next, go to the Magento to Shopify migration section, click Request a Quote, fill out your name, email address, and website URL, then click the Let's Do This button. It is that easy. Let's take a look at how you migrate from Magento to Shopify, keeping every product, every option, and all of your client data and your SEO intact. At Optimum 7, we have handled thousands of platform migrations in the past 15 years without losing rankings, without losing revenue, and without losing customers. Here is how we do it. We pre-map your SEO infrastructure and keyword universe. We have to simply make sure we know where you make money. If we don't know where you make money, which are the most important product pages, category pages, content pages, blog pages, conversion pages, contact us pages, quote pages, we can't do this migration. So if your agency is not asking you these questions, run. We work with a test sandbox server, and everything that we work on that test server, and we send it to you for reviews and approvals, and everything is ready to go. We basically switch your name servers or your DNS settings, and the new website is up. Again, without losing customers, without losing orders. And then this part is very important. We do post-migration audits. Our QA engineers review everything, and we make sure that everything is operating in the right manner. You're not getting any 404s. You don't have a decrease in conversions. All of your pages are indexed. All of your rankings remain. The performance, the speed, the compliance issues are all there. This has to be done. A lot of agencies do not do this. They just launch the site and they disappear. Our job is done. That won't work. This is why you can't do this with a freelancer. Contact us or comment below, and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.